Hi, this is Paul Gilbert with Wells Solar. In this video today, we're going to be going over how to turn on a solar system with 2 inverters. The first thing you want to do is go to your electrical service panel on the side of your house. A lot of service panels are going to have a little latch on the bottom. You want to push it up and pull the door straight down. Your PV breaker for your solar system should be on the very bottom. It'll have a little red warning label next to it. You're just going to want to flip it to the on position. You can go ahead and close up your service panel. The next step, we're going to go to the AC disconnect. Just like a light switch, down is off. We're going to turn it up to the on position. After that, we'll move over to the aggregate panel. Inside there's going to be 2 breakers. Just like the service panel, there's a little latch on the bottom. We're going to push it up and pull the door straight down. Inside, you should have 2 breakers. We're going to turn both of them on. They should bend towards each other. You can go ahead and close it up. Next, we'll move over to the inverter. On the inverter, there's a black rotary dial. We're going to want to turn it to the on position. And then there's a little red switch down here. You're going to reach in there and pull the switch to the left, hold it for 2 seconds, and let it go. Now the inverter is going to go through a 5-minute grid monitoring cycle. After 5 minutes, you should see a green production light. There will also be a blue communication light. Both should be solid. We'll move over to the other inverter and do the same thing. Turn the rotary dial to the on position. Find the little red switch, pull it to the left for 2 seconds. This inverter is also going to go through the 5-minute wake-up period. After that 5 minutes, this inverter will also have a green communication light and a blue production light. If you notice any red light or any of the lights keep blinking, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out.